Hello guys, welcome to another video. Alibaba has recently released one 2.5 preview video generation model, which claims to be better than Google's VO3. The announcement is made on X.com, Tongyi Labs' official account. It says one 2.5 preview model released. There is an announcement video for that as well. Feel free to check that out. But in today's tutorial, we're going to show you where to test it and the findings. So that being said, let's get started. If you go to Video's official website, you can see that one 2.5 is available. So choose from the dropdown one 2.5 preview and you can test it out. So you can try this out on Video's official website once a day, but you do need to sign in. And the best way we found during the testing is through another website, which we're going to show you next. So this website is called lawofart.ai. So in my previous videos, I already showed you how good this website is. And in this video, we tested out this new one 2.5 model on this website as well. So feel free to create a free account on lawofart.ai and then create a workspace like this one and choose one 2.5 as the video generation model. Click video and choose one 2.5 video generation model instead of the auto selector. And also make sure you pick a image generation model. For this example, we choose Nana Banana. Okay, let's continue. So after that, we can start testing. So during the testing, we first created a video for a high-speed food photography shot of a pizza movie scene. You can see that first it created a pizza movie scene. Then, because we did not add any audio, so it asks the LawOfart agent to add an audio for it. So it uses a BGM generation tool to create an audio for this video, which is very convenient. And after that, it put them together as the final result. So then we try to create a logo for a pizza shop. So let's call it World's Best Pizza. And then we want to create a promotion video for this pizza shop. So we start creating a promotion for this World's Best Pizza shop. You can see first, it created two logos. So I choose the second one. After that, we're trying to create promo for this pizza shop's logo. And it started and analyze, and then it uses generate video 1 2.5 to create the video and use BGM generation to create the background music and uses video clipper to combine the video and the music. Then we'll get the final result. So let's hear it out to see what the final video looks like. If you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and see you in the next one.